right, so this is question number 4. It says, Kelly received a 25% discount on the purchase of a $240 bicycle. What was the amount of the discount? So the key word here is that you are looking for the discount. So the first thing we want to do is it's going to be a one-step problem because it only asks us for the discount. So we want to find out what is 25% of 240. So we should know that of means to multiply. So we're going to type this into our calculator. So we have 25%, and it gives us the word of 240, and the answer is 60. So the discount is 60. Question number 5. Philip's meal costs $12.82 at a local restaurant. The server did their job very well, and Philip would like to leave a 20% tip. What amount of money should he leave as a tip? So this is going to be a one-step because it just asks you for how much would he leave as a tip. So once again, we need to figure out what is 20% of $12.82. So we're going to end up multiplying these things together. So we come to our calculator. 20% of $12.82. So the answer is, when I look at my calculator, I get 2.564. And I know that money only goes to the hundredths place. So when I look at this number, in order to round, if it's below 5, so 4 and below, you leave it the same. So this stays at $2.56. Question number 8. The original price of a chair was $545. The tax on the chair was 4.5%. What is the exact price of the chair, including tax? So when it says including, that means we're going to add on the tax. So this is a two-step problem. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find out what is 4.5% of 545. So that'll tell us the amount of tax that they're going to pay. So let's find that out. So we come to that calculator again. 4.5% of $545. So the tax we get is 24.525. So we're going to have to round because it has an extra number. So since this is 5, if it's 5 or above, this number gets bumped up 1. So we have $24.53. But that is not the answer because this is a two-step. We want to know the exact price including tax. So we take the price of the chair and we have to add on the tax. So now we're going to go ahead and get ourselves a new line and type in 24.53 plus 545, and we get $569.53. And the answer is D. Number 15. James went out to eat, and his total, including tax, was $24. How much would he leave if he wanted to leave a 20% tip? So this is going to be a one-step. So what we're going to do is we're going to find 20% of $24. So we come to our calculator. We type in 20% of $24. And the answer is 4.8. So that would be $4.80. Okay, number 19. It says, what is 15% of $50? So this one's pretty simple. 15% of $50. So if you type this into your calculator, it'll come up exactly like this. 15%, as soon as you type in the percent sign, it gives you the word of. Of does mean to multiply. So all they're doing is they're multiplying 15% times 50. If you wanted, you could have changed it to a decimal and worked it out this way, and you would get the exact same answer of $7.50. Because once you get 7.5, you know the only thing you can add on is a 0 to make it look like money.